In this video, you will see how to remove highlight color in WPS Office Writer. To remove the highlight color, you just have to select the text. After selecting the highlighted text, you will see here marker option. This is a text highlighter color option. You just have to click on this small triangle here and you will see the option of no color. You just have to select the option no color, and this will remove the yellow, green or gray background. But if this option doesn't remove the background, then you just have to copy the entire text or cut it. If you are using the Windows, then just copy paste it inside the notepad and all the color will be removed. If you are a Mac user, you can use this software Light Notepad and then just copy paste the text into the WPS Office Writer. In this way, you can remove highlighted text in WPS Writer. Now check out these useful videos related to WPS Office. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem.